We have no freaking clue what we're doing.
Best boat, hands down, at this boat show.
This is the boat that we want. What the f is this line? Oh, it's in the
I don't.
Okay, guys, here we go. The Lagoon 46. Man, this is my favorite space. It is just so functional. These cushions are great. Every single bit of space on this boat has been really well thought out. I love that they've done these this additional sink and counter space here. When I had first seen this boat online, I thought this seemed a little bit weird, like that they haven't pushed the couch up into the corner. But I think that this counter space really adds some value. And there's also a lot of great storage in there too.
Yeah, and under those hatches is like where you can put a gas bottle, and I think there's also water pumps under there as well.
Oh my god, I can't even say enough about this boat. These windows, this space, oh man, it's just gorgeous. The woodwork, I know it's not real wood, but man, it looks great. It just feels so inviting, cozy, homey. Anything you could possibly want in a boat, this boat has. I mean, maybe not the speed, but man, is it livable. This nav station, I love the position of it. I mean, it's my favorite position. This setup in general, I think you see kind of frequently in catamarans, but I just feel like Lagoon has nailed it. I mean, I just feel like they do it better than anyone else. These interiors are just gorgeous. The finishings are gorgeous. They feel well made. The sink is big. Like, I just feel like everything is great.
The whole finishing of this boat is definitely different to other catamarans, and I think that they've made really good use of the space and they've designed it really functional. I think that the U-shaped galley is nice. There's lots of overhead storage as well, which is nice.
Yeah, look at this overhead storage. Check this out. I mean, I don't know. I didn't notice this on any of the other boats we toured. It just feels like every little inch of space they used, they thought it out well. These couches are really nice. The fabric's really nice. It just feels really great quality. I don't know. It feels like the most refined boat at any size.
Yeah, there was no faults. There was walking through. It was the only boat at the show that we could not fault
in any place.
Yeah.
Oh, you're recording? Yeah. Guys, I can't even tell you how much this space blows any other master cabin out of the water. It is gorgeous. It's just, oh, man, every time I walked into it, which was probably like 5 times during the show because I just couldn't get enough of this boat, you're just blown away. Alert! I'm just here to inform you about the series that we're doing on all these boats, so you have to subscribe so you don't miss it. Also, if you want a sneak peek, make sure you check out the description because we are giving out a list of our top favorite boats for liveaboards to our first 100 subscribers. So subscribe, stay tuned, and thank you for watching. The windows are great, the wood looks great, the settee is great, the storage is great too. And this additional window that you see in this hallway really makes the biggest of difference in the amount of light that comes into the space down here. Also, down here they have a separate head for the toilet, and it's really like a full bathroom in here. Yeah, it's like a total full bathroom in here, the sink, and the finishes in the bathroom are beautiful. Like, they really feel so modern. I mean, like, it's just so modern. You don't even see this stuff in hotels.
Yeah. And like, I like how they had 2 countertops in this bathroom, but they didn't put 2 sinks, which is, I'd prefer that because I don't think you don't need 2 sinks, I think, in one bathroom. So it's nice that they've used this other countertop as some kind of storage space and also just some space
to sit some stuff out. Nice little storage in there going on. storage back here. It's just like you can tell that all the feedback they get from everyone has resulted in this boat as the culmination. It just feels well thought out through and through. Everywhere. The finishing, the layout, everything is just well thought through. I mean, look at this entire wall of storage. But you're not sacrificing space either. You're not sacrificing space for storage.
Yeah, and one thing to note too, this one had a carpet, which was a nice feature. I think that we didn't know how carpet was going to go, but I think we actually liked it.
Yeah, the carpet makes it feel a little bit more like a bedroom, like a, I don't know, luxurious, I guess. Okay, now headed over to the guest cabins. And man, these are the best that I saw in any boat. I mean, honestly, guys, I feel like this boat felt better than larger boats than the 50s, like the Lagoon 50s or the Fontaine Pajot 50s, like the amount of space and what they've done with it. Even this corner space, they've made use of it, right? Like it's just really well thought out. And the bathrooms on these guest cabins, I mean, come on, look at this. It's beautiful. The finishings are beautiful. They have a fully enclosed shower in each guest cabin, which is really, really nice. Again, guys, I just feel like if you're in the market for a boat of this size, this Lagoon 46 is just stunning.
Yeah, it definitely was one of our favorites, and you can see
our favorite. Let's be clear.
You can see that, where other catamarans can do better. I think when you compare to this one,
Lagoon has stepped up to the plate and made those differences, just in the small, minute details of everything. And sorry about this lighting, guys. I know in some videos, like, if you record a certain way, the lights flicker, but that actually wasn't what was going on here. It was like flags waving outside. Again, look at that beautiful giant shower. What other cat in the guest cabins on like a 46, 45 foot boat has a shower that big? And two of them.
Yeah, I think that the bathrooms feel very nice. It's like your own, it's like a mini, like really is like a mini modern apartment. It feels really nice inside, and definitely the styling is great.
It's beautiful. It's just beautiful, beautiful, functional, well made. Okay. Jesus. You can really tell that Lagoon has a lot of customers, and they have used all their feedback to make this boat what it is, which is a great friggin' catamaran. And here you go up onto the flybridge. And actually, before I got on the boat, I thought I would have rather had a table up here. But when you're on here, these pads are really nice. And this is actually enclosed with a soft bimini. I think I would prefer a hard bimini. I mean, as would anyone.
Here's a look at this soft bimini. It looks sick. I don't know whether I'd prefer this one over the hard one. Nonetheless, I would enjoy getting some sun.
But I like it because if you think about navigating at nighttime, you can like cuddle up in that space with a movie on your computer or something like that. It's not like you're having to like sit at a table or a chair or whatever. It's just like a nice space to actually be. And I think it's really functional when you're at anchor too. I mean, I would love to be up there. The breeze, the view, everything is just great from up here.
Yeah, it's great visibility out there when you're navigating too.
Yeah, really good visibility for sure.
You said you had a lot to say about this.
I do, and you can't be fast enough.
I guess the only real question is whether you guys would like to have the flybridge.
We like the flybridge. I think that for us it's not a big deal, and we'd rather have the extra space rather than that easy access up to the helm. But, you know, that's a personal thing. Coming around to the bow of the boat, you can see the nice flush hatches they have here. And this seating space is just great, and so are these huge tramps. But I thought, before I got on the boats, I thought I would prefer that forward cockpit that the Leopards have. But actually, I think that the seating space, one, is more comfortable, and two, I just like sitting out there more. I don't know, it's just all around nice. It's a great friggin' boat. Questions, suggestions for us, please leave a comment, but be nice. Oh my god.
This is what I have to deal with.